Hello and welcome to the next section on the Etsy category on the Tiksale website. Now, this part of the website is great for when you're trying to search for a keyword. Maybe you can't think of a good idea for a keyword you'd like, or you want some more ideas on maybe a better keyword, something that you can add, as your keywords and as your tags to help people see your product. So we're going to click on here, and again I'm just going to put in poster. It's a very simple suggestion, and we can come up with many ideas. So straight away this tool is showing us the top, or some of the most engaged or most competitive keywords, which are very similar to what we've put in. So poster. So straight away we can see we have 3 categories. We have searches, engagements, and competitions. So we can see how many people are searching it, how many people are engaging in it, they're clicking on that product, or they're sharing it, or they're maybe buying it. And then competitions, how many of that products are for sale. So straight away we can see that this one here, poster print, very good keyword. It has good searches, over 1,000 searches, 2,000 engagements, and 50 failed competitions. So this seems like a really good keyword. So I'm going to push the plus, and it will add it over here to my bucket. So the bucket is your keyword. So this bucket is for poster, and then this will save all of the keyword ideas that I select from here, and keeps them there for me. I can delete them if I want. I can search more into them and go and look at products with that name. So let me just select some more. I'm going to select the ones with the most searches and engagements. These are the ones that are looking likely as maybe the best keywords. So I will just go down. Again, we have, this is Star Wars, so this is a movie franchise and toys. Again, 1,300 searches, 5,800 engagements, very good. I'm going to add that. Again, maybe I'm not selling Star Wars posters at the moment, but I see it's Christmas time, I see the engagement. Maybe I could buy some of them, and we can list some of them, and maybe get some good turnaround. So we'll go down. We have another one here, Harry Styles. This is obviously he's a singer. We just keep going down. Okay, I can't see any more that are over 1,000. So let's click maybe the next highest up. I think it might be the one at the top here. So yes, we've got anime poster. So now I have these 4 different keywords in my bucket. Again, I could take maybe these keywords over to the keyword compare and have a better look at them and some more information. Or I just want to save them. I'm looking for at the moment. I'm not sure what I want to sell. I can save these. I just click the save button, and there we go. Success. Add keyword success. So it's added them. So now if I leave, let's say I'm comparing these words. I go to the keyword compare. I go back, and then actually, what were my keywords? I go back to the Storm bucket. Here I have poster. You can have many of these. It will fill the screen. You could have many different buckets. I click poster, and there we go. It's searched the list again. Remember, this could change. This could change daily. So, even once a day, maybe I want to come on. I want to check them against what I've already saved. Maybe the ones I've saved have changed. Maybe they've started to go down, or they've gone up. They've gone up a lot, and I want to definitely use that keyword. You can see that here. So again, it searched these for me. All my keywords are here. They're all safe. They're all fine. So all right, and that is the Storm bucket part of the Etsy section. Thank you very much.